Should I still just wait?
No.
No, now I should. But are they going? No.
So stop the car. He's now making a U-turn.
Yeah.
But we'll talk you through this in a minute,
Right.
though, yeah?
Okay. Because they were turning left, weren't they? If they were going right.
You didn't see the indicator.
Yeah.
Let's talk about the mini roundabout. So as you were approaching, you slowed down, which is good.
Yeah.
Now you asked me a question about blockers. What question did you ask?
I can't remember.
That there was a blockers there.
Yeah,
Can I
yeah.
go or not?
Yeah.
It's something like that you asked
Yeah.
me. So when you were approaching, first of all, tell me how many exits that roundabout had. Can you remember that?
Including the one I was on.
The one you on,
3.
yes. So where was the first one?
Straight ahead.
Second,
To the
and
right.
the third is come back around, yeah? As you were approaching, there was no road on the left, so you were potentially looking on your right and ahead.
Yeah.
When you looked to the right, was there any car there?
Yeah.
So he was there. Did you saw the car? You did, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you saw his indicator?
I don't think so. No.
Was anybody else behind him?
I don't know.
There was nobody behind him. That's one thing. But let me ask you: even if he's indicating coming into your way, even if he's not indicating, the second thing you should be asking yourself: you look ahead, and there were 2 blockers.
Yeah. Okay.
Who were going-
Yeah.
Were any one of them going around into your path?
No.
So there were blockers who coming from their direction, blocking the car coming out.
So
What we could have done?
best to just go.
We could have gone.
Yeah.
But when you decided to go, the car there, he was trying to go around the roundabout, so he's stuck. So this is where the forward planning and early decision making comes in. So it's very important. Plan early, decide early. So you have enough time. However, I mean, he was signaling going there.
Yeah.
Even if he's not signaling, you could have gone because, okay, I can see your 2-3 blockers, I'm going to block them and go.
Yeah.
By the time you decided to go, it was a bit too late. So remember that, please, though. Okay?
Yeah.
Any problem for that one?
No.
Good. So far, you're doing pretty good driving. Well done. Keep doing